Imagine opening your fridge, wondering what to cook, and instead of guessing, AI tells you exactly what to make based on what's inside. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening. Let's explore how AI and IoT are transforming home cooking. The problem: wasting food and time. We've all been there, staring at random ingredients, unsure what to cook. This often leads to food waste or ordering takeout instead. But what if your fridge could think for you? How AI plus IoT work together. Smart fridges with IoT sensors can track what's inside, check expiration dates, and sync with AI-powered recipe apps. AI then suggests personalized recipes based on 1. What's available in your fridge? Your dietary preferences. 3. Nutritional value and portion size. 4. Food expiration alerts. It's like having a personal chef that knows exactly what you have and what's best to cook. Real-world examples. Companies like Samsung and LG have introduced smart fridges that scan items and suggest recipes. Apps like Cook and Pal and Whisk use AI to generate meal ideas from your groceries, helping reduce food waste while making cooking easier. The future of AI-powered cooking. In the future, AI could automatically reorder groceries when you're running low, suggest balanced meals for your health goals, and even control smart ovens to cook at the perfect temperature. Final thoughts and CTA. AI and IoT are upgrading our kitchens, making meal planning smarter, healthier, and more efficient. Would you trust AI to decide your next meal? Let me know in the comments.